एनालिटिक्स है क्या? लेट्स लर्न. That's the definition. Just read the definition once and we're going to talk about it. अगर आपने पढ़ लिया हो, अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. There are two words. There are two words. One is called analysis and the other word is called analytics. एक वक्त था जब कंपनीज एनालिसिस पे काम करती थी. मतलब एनालिसिस का मतलब क्या होता है? आपका जो आप से फॉर एग्जांपल आपका एक गोल है, गोल एक प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस आपने बनाया और उसका एक गोल है. मतलब आई हैव टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट टू दीज मेनी यूजर्स फॉर एग्जांपल, और आई हैव टू रेंडर दिस सर्विस फॉर दीज मेनी कस्टमर्स. सो दैट्स अ गोल. अब उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए क्या करोगे आप? यू विल टॉक टू द कस्टमर्स, सर्वे फॉर्म्स भराए जाएंगे, that how do you like the product, what all features you like, what all features you don't like, and so forth. Correct? तो उसको कहीं ना कहीं एनालिसिस बोलते हैं. एनालिसिस. आज की तारीख में कंपनीज का गोल नहीं होता है. कंपनीज डेटा कस्टमर्स का या कंज्यूमर्स का डेटा कलेक्ट करती है, उसके पैटर्न को समझती है और एक गोल डिटरमाइन करती है. एक टाइम है जहां पे गोल है, देन यू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. एक है कि गोल सेट नहीं है लेकिन डेटा का पैटर्न समझकर यू डिटरमाइन द गोल, कि अब आने वाले दिनों में क्या होने वाला है. सो यू प्रिडिक्ट व्हाट्स कमिंग अहेड. दैट इज कॉल्ड एनालिटिक्स. सो एनालिसिस का मतलब डेटा इन द हिस्ट्री, एनालिसिस. एनालिटिक्स का मतलब डेटा इन द फ्यूचर. आप हिस्ट्री के डेटा को एनालाइज करके प्रेजेंट में फ्यूचर को प्रिडिक्ट करने को एनालिटिक्स बोलते हैं. ये फर्क है इन दो वर्ड्स का, एनालिसिस का और एनालिटिक्स का. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इन टुडेज कंपनीज वी टॉक अबाउट एनालिटिक्स. हाउ कैन आई एनालाइज माय डेटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ द पैटर्न, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ट्रेंड्स, derive insightful information and then predict what's going to happen next. कंज्यूमर अगला क्लिक कहां करेगा? स्टॉक मार्केट अगला स्टॉक मार्केट का जोन कौन सा है? वेदर फोरकास्टिंग में सुनामी अगली बार कब आने वाली है? These all, I'm talking about the range, is all about analytics. जो हिस्ट्री के डेटा को एनालाइज करके उससे इंसाइटफुल इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल के आने वाले दिनों की बात की जाती है. ये समझ में आया सबको एनालिटिक्स क्या होता है? बहुत सिंपल बट very interesting and enriching. Now comes what are the phases of analytics. I will explain this with the help of a case study. Already we will do one case study today, which I will only explain because today you can't solve a case study, but you understand the application and phases of analytics with the help of a case study. Okay, this is a very important interview question. What are the phases of analytics? Just observe this diagram. So there are 4 phases of analytics. Now listen to me carefully. The first phase is called as descriptive. What do you mean by descriptive? Descriptive का मतलब, हमने क्या बोला, एनालिटिक्स क्या करता है? रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है. डिस्क्रिप्टिव का मतलब जो भी आपका रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम है, उस प्रॉब्लम में कौन कौन से वेरिएबल्स, what all variables are involved in that particular problem, which all variables are involved, and how those variables are talking to each other. Is there a story among those variables which is defining that business problem. So we have to gather information. We have to gather the information that what all variables are involved in that particular business problem so that we can understand the story well. What does that mean? Let's go to the next slide. Check out this business problem. This was for a real company in Mumbai, which Abhinav sir did. So this raincoat manufacturing company, they had this business problem. Just read the business problem. The business problem is to decide the price of a raincoat across the Maharashtra state for a particular raincoat, umbrella or raincoat, right? They want to understand what should be the pricing. So the step-by-step solution, the first is what? Descriptive analytics. So we need to identify the variables, data points, as we say. How do you decide the price of the raincoat? For that, some of the variables were identified. Density of the rain, which is what we call precipitation. Obviously, who are using this raincoat? It's the average distance which is traveled by the office going people. Are they using cab or car? Then obviously the distance traveled with the help of a raincoat will be lesser. Or they are using a local train. And what is the price they are happy to pay? This is called as descriptive analytics. We gather this information. Now, once you have gathered the information, how these variables are related to the business problem, which means, so price is one factor, for example. Higher the price, will the people buy more or less? So we are deriving some relationship. Precipitation rate is low or high, that will relate to will the raincoats of that particular brand will sell more or less in that particular area, across areas, or eventually in the entire Maharashtra state. So that is called diagnostic, figuring out the relationship of the descriptive is identifying the variables that is helping you to tell the story or define the problem. Diagnostic is to find out the relation of those variables with the business problem. It's like डॉक्टर के पास गए, उसने पहले डेटा गैदर किया आपसे, खाना कम खाते हो, बर्फ ज्यादा लेते हो, you were in a you got wet in a rainy season. So these are all variables, and then he started correlating with your body structure and with your day-to-day living style to derive a correlation that because of this may have happened. So that is diagnostic. Why did it happen? As it is written over here. This is about getting those insights. So we come to the next slide. See the diagnostic analytics. Sale of raincoats is directly proportional to density of rains and average distance traveled by people. More the distance traveled, sale of raincoat is more. If there is more rain, density is your area by people. So number of people in that particular area, that is density. If the density of rain is more, that is the rain in that area. If the density is more, maybe you need more raincoats. Usage of raincoat will be more, so sale will be more. And the sale of raincoats is inversely proportional to the price. So you understand this is how. So this is very interesting, right? It's not about your degree that you have done. It's about your understanding of the business and how do you analyze data based on the degree. Descriptive and diagnostic. For the first 1 year of your career in data analytics, in addition to your degree, will be on descriptive and diagnostic. Gather data and figure out the relation with the business problem. Fascinating. For the first 6 months. Then comes predictive. Once you have gathered data, once you have understood the relationship of the data, then it is time to make a model. Model is like equation. You remember in your maths class, if a teacher comes and say the age of this person is 3 times more than those kind of statements, we end up writing an equation. Same is called modeling. Modeling is about writing an equation, input variable, output variable, and how these are connected. That is done using a software. That is done using a programming language. The descriptive and the diagnostic is with mathematics and statistics. The predictive analytics, now you make a model so that you understand if I change the input variable, what impact it will have on the output. Through that, we predict the stock market, attrition rate of an individual in a company. We predict the insurance premium. We predict the customer, where the customer will go next. That model. For that, you need logic. So statistics, mathematics, and a bit of logic. Logic is programming. That is predictive analytics. You are predicting what will happen if you change certain condition. Let's check with our example. This was observed. This was observed with the help of a model. And आने वाले दिनों में आप ये models बनाओगे. So of all the office going people with average travel distance more than 5 kilometers, yes, this was observed. 10% people buy if moderate rain and 30% people buy if heavy rain. Then there was a cost range. ये cost कहाँ से मिला range? ये descriptive से मिला था जब हमने price as an input variable use किया. So this is where the predictive analytics is coming into picture. And you know what? Data analytics is so strong that the model is 80% to 85% accurate in every application that I'm talking about. And that's why companies are moving into data analytics. Because using data, when you create these models, which is predictive analytics, the model is 80 to 85% accurate. Just imagine. And that's why companies are hiring data science professionals at the fresher level, mid-level, and experience level. What do you understand? From predictive, we go to prescriptive. Now when we understand that input ऐसे change करने पे output ऐसे change होता है, तो हम prescribe करेंगे अब companies को कि आप ऐसे करो, do this way, so that you will be able to solve your business problem. That is called prescription, prescriptive, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. How can we make it happen? This is the prescriptive analytics, which is what the companies are consulted for. Companies consult करने के लिए जब आती है तो इस तरीके से consult किया जाता है, इस पूरे प्रोसेस के थ्रू consult किया जाता है. So अगर आप देखो, city has less population and rainfall is moderate, don't sell raincoats. ये प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया कंपनी को. इफ द सिटी हैज, तीसरा वाला पॉइंट पढ़ रहा हूं, अगर मॉडरेट पॉपुलेशन है और अगर हेवी रेनफॉल है तो आप इस बीच में बेचो, तो आपका जो सेलिंग प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व हो सकता है. डू यू सी, ये कोई गट फील से नहीं है. डू यू सी देयर इज अ वेरी साइंस इन्वॉल्वड इन इट. एब्सोल्युटली. एक अंदाजा मिला आप सबको इस यूज केस के थ्रू. दिस इज अ रियल टाइम यूज केस. दिस इज एन इंडस्ट्रियल यूज केस. एक अंदाजा मिला एक एनालिटिक्स का यूज केस कैसे होता है.